Ernesto is very accurate. He predicted that I would have 2 children, a beautiful home, and a charming husband.
This Bobo again?
And with your coupon, it is going to be $32.18.
Buttercup, better at that gum.
Perdón. Must have been the hot dogs.
I love you, Dad.
I love you too, sweetie.
Sorry. You're right about the hot dogs.
Now that's a Santiago burp. You'll be an A student in no time.
But... Ew, yuck. That's a great idea, Tia Frida. Come on, Carlitos. Let's get some fresh air.
Sorry, too much hot sauce.
Oh, monkey business? That place closed. Some guy had his finger bit off.
Guess this was a birthday cake.
Vito, Big Tony, and Little Sal.
I didn't even know we entered that.
Nelson, what are you chewing on?
Huh. Oh, maybe it's hopeless. Maybe I wasn't meant to have a BFF. Huh, maybe. Kyle, come play.
But I'm still so hungry. Just get in.
Hi ho, Lolo. Away!
Thank you for your
Famous burp dog.
Next, we have Hector's Mercado dog.
What a waste of time. Except for the tacos, of course. Al pastor burps. You dug through all that snow just to get us?
Buttercup did most of the work.
You saved our Christmas, so we have to save yours.
You won the tickets? I've been drinking chocolate milk all morning. You're taking me, right?
So, where did we leave off?
What's up with La Tormenta? She's lost her mojo. What could be different? Did she eat a big burrito? I know I did.
But then, I decided to get even. I had Igor swallow my walkie-talkie, along with a giant turkey.
Sancho? Hey! Get back here!
Doesn't that sound delicious?
It may sound delicious, but it tastes like a dirty pata.
Fine, take everything.
Then bring me more candy next year.
Voila! Lunch smoothie.
Thanks, Sid. Gross.
Eat. And I have one more treat for our special day.
I'll have another treat, too.
Interesting. Can I try?
Sure. Wait, where's my rook?
Gee, who could have seen this coming?
Oh, I need to fix this.
And I need more popcorn.
Marshmallow unicorn.
I didn't know you could be sick of chocolate, but I am. Totally worth it, though.
You must be the fan club contest winners. Let me guess, you ate a lot of cereal.
You got that right.
Just tell us when you need us to bust out our sweet moves.
No, you can't cancel the shoot. I ate so much cereal for this.
We already have ghost hunting experts on the way.
Hey, free hot dog for the hero!
Eso! CJ, if you want to send a rocket to space, then that's what you're gonna do. Now give me that. Potatoes are for eating. I'll be your assistant.
Winning that would definitely impress my mom.
Oh, too bad there isn't a strongest pepperoni burp competition.
If you do a good job, I'll give you treats. No, those aren't the treats.
Only 35 more dogs to go.
No more hot dogs.